In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the size of your Gemini panel here in Google Sheets. So if you're working with Gemini on a spreadsheet and you want to change the size of your Gemini panel on the right, you can do this in two easy ways. The first one would be with this drop down, which would say View. So that's next to your close button right here. If we click on it, we have two options. So the current option is our side option or our side view. And we also have our wide view. If we click on this, it would sort of occupy almost half of our screen. So now you have a wider view of Gemini and its responses. But if you want to go wider, you actually have the second option, which would be to go to this part right here, which is our most left part of our Gemini panel, and just click and drag it all the way to the left. So now it occupies most or 3/4 of your screen right now. So we can adjust this. You can keep on adjusting on how big or how small you want to see it, but that is your option. And again, you can adjust this into your own liking. And if you want to go back, you can just simply drag it to the right. And there you have it. So again, two easy options. You can open this with your view button right here with your side or wide. Then if you want to go back, just click on side. There we have it. Or you can also adjust it by going to the left part of your Gemini panel and just drag it to how big or how small you want it to be. And there you have it. So that's how easy you can adjust the size of your Gemini panel here in Google Sheets. Now this video is just part of this series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. If you want to check out more videos, I'll be leaving a card to the full playlist on the top right corner of this video. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.